This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're in the editor now. Immediately pick the element to turn into a link. Click the chain icon or right-click and choose Link so you see the link dialog. From here, you decide the link type. That choice matters because it changes fields and behavior. Once done, give the link a clear URL or target. This reduces broken links and helps users know what to expect. Make sure you save progress before moving to advanced settings so nothing is lost. Now choose the precise link type and configure options. If you want to link to another site, paste the full URL and set target to open in a new tab to keep visitors on your site. For internal navigation, pick page or anchor so scrolling lands correctly. Anchors require exact names. If you add a file or email link, double-check file upload and mailto syntax. Also add descriptive text for accessibility and SEO. This helps screen readers and search engines understand the destination. Finish by previewing and publishing. Always test links in preview, then publish and verify on the live site. Test on both desktop and mobile because mobile menus can behave differently. If a link fails, clear your browser cache and retest. Check that anchors match exactly and uploaded files are published. If external links show mixed content errors, ensure the URL uses HTTPS. When you confirm everything works, you're done and your visitors will navigate smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.